Hey guys, Tim here at JK Boots, and today I want to cover 3 ways to make your boots fit better. So first off, if you're a JK Boots customer, upon receiving your product, inside the box there would have been some paperwork. Something that looks like this, a welcome to the JK family card, and then actually just a couple of full stapled pieces of paper together with some fitting help. And if you just read over that and cover that, there's a lot of good stuff in there, more than 3. But I'll definitely highlight the 3 things to just make your JK Boots feel better or fit better, or really any pair of boots that you might have. Socks. So we're big on socks, having good quality socks, especially in a really good pair of boots like this. Socks play a really key role in fit. So if you have a really, let's take for example like a thin basketball type sock, and maybe when you were fitting your boots and you're choosing the width or whatever, or you're just don't normally wear a thin sock, and you try to wear a thin sock with a pair of boots like this, it's definitely going to affect the feel or fit right away. Socks play a large role in the general fit because of volume, and so if you have a good quality wool or cotton mix thick sock on, that's going to provide that good voluminous kind of dense feeling. It'll help make the boots feel a lot more snug. It'll help them feel a lot more secure, and they'll be definitely less play. So if your boots are a little bit loose and you're wearing a thin sock, the immediate solution is getting a more quality sock on. And just in general, sometimes a change of sock can actually help with the general fit and feel of comfort as well. Sometimes a thicker sock can literally act as more cushion, can act as more support for the bottom of your foot. So if you're wearing a thin basketball sock, there's less material between your foot and the leather insole or whatever it is you're standing on. And so a thicker sock can literally just act as more cushion. So that's one of the first things I would address, one of the first things I'd go after. We love recommending Darn Tough socks. They're great, and it acts as a really good, thick, quality sock. I recommend wearing a little bit of a thicker sock than a thinner sock, just for that cushion and padding. The second place that we can go to make your boots fit better is oiling them. So a lot of times, if your boots are a little snug or they're a little stiff, that can actually affect the fit. And if they're a little bit, just too hard to break in or whatever, oiling the boot generously over the period of a few days to really soften up that leather can allow the leather to break in a little bit better. It'll just kind of expedite that process, and it'll help your boot, your foot kind of stretch in and mold the boot a little bit closer to what it actually needs to fit and feel like. The beauty of having one of JK Boots or an all leather handmade boot like this is that the boot has a bit of a mind of its own almost, that it will conform to your feet. That's why they're made the way they are. That's the price point that there are. It's because of the all leather material that's here. There's no polyester, there's no neoprene, there's nothing like that. And so when you wear a quality boot like this, it does break in. And oiling them can help that happen faster. It can expedite that process and make it be a lot more quality too. You'll soften the leather, you'll allow it to break in a little easier, a little faster, especially around this ankle area or forefoot area. Totally acceptable and totally good to do. If you want to, you can actually go and look at some of our other videos on oiling, when to do it, how often. That'll kind of give you just some more information on knowledge on how to properly oil your boots. That will definitely help with fit. The third thing that I would say is definitely insoles. So if your boots, for whatever reason, are a little loose, maybe they're a little snug, and you have a pair of insoles in there, taking a good neoprene insole, removing it, adding in, or a leather insole, that will immediately affect whatever kind of pair of shoes or boots you have. That will immediately affect the fit. Currently with our boots, we offer a thin neoprene insole inside the box as a potential option. We don't necessarily force anybody to wear that. You can wear the boots just as they come, as a full raw leather insole inside. But the neoprene insole that we offer is just a good little bit of cushion, and also it can help affect volume, general snugness, or maybe with it it's a little bit too snug and you need to remove it and just wear it as it is with the leather insole. So that's a really great option. So insoles will definitely affect any pair of boots or any even pair of shoes for the fit. That's a really great option. You can get stuff off the counter, you can get stuff from us. We have the neoprene ones and the leather ones, or you can wear the boots as they are with nothing in there if you need that extra bit of space. So insoles are a really great option. So the 3 options, just to review, are going to be socks, oiling, and insoles. Those are 3 basic tips and basic things to really help any pair of boots fit better, but specifically with JK Boots, that will definitely help if you need to kind of troubleshoot anything, or maybe the boots feel really good but you just want to get it 10% better. Socks, oiling, insoles, a combination of those things will definitely help do that. So I hope that helps, guys. Check out any of our other videos. Comment below if you have any other questions, and maybe we'll make some more content for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.